cooking right, but there is no way to have.
Could you please help me?
Don't worry, I'm gonna show you method. Now you have got
Chất lượng Nhật Bản.
Panasonic.
The pot is made of thick and durable aluminum, super hard and non-stick carbon coated. The crust and lid is made of high-grade stainless steel and can withstand great forces.
In addition to the rice cooking functions, Panasonic rice cooker can also cook the porridge, stew, defrost in a short time. The system works completely automatically. You just need to turn the button to select food that needs cooking. The pot is designed with modern styling, apply the latest technology with great durability and high heat retention capacity. This versatile smart rice cooker will help you to save time, kitchen area and especially minimize electricity.
Chị em đứng đường.
Lấy này mình đừng thôi.
Quay á.